Hey guys, Machines and Mel here. I just wanted to show you the saw I picked up. It's a Stihl MS260 two-stroke single cylinder chainsaw. Got this cheap. I knew when I bought it that it needed repair. I think I paid $25, maybe $30 for it. It's in nice shape though. Doesn't seem to have a lot of use on it. The chain, there's lots of chain left. The bar is not bad. It's complete, it's all there. But unfortunately, I gave it a couple pulls. I don't know if you'll be able to. Anyway, it has low compression. It'll start if you squirt some oil down the spark plug hole, because the oil will seal up the leaky rings, but it'll barely start. It'll fart and it'll pop, but that's about all you get. And that's an indication that this saw had straight fuel run into it, or it was run with lean fuel, and the piston and cylinder are a little scored up. So it's a really nice saw. Like I said, it's in good shape. So being a MS260, it's a popular model, and they're not cheap. I think this saw new is about $500 or $600. So I figured it might be worth a gamble to try to fix it. So I thought I'd make a YouTube video about it. Be a couple part series, probably 2 parts. This is the first part, and I just wanted to show you what showed up today in the mail. Right there, from Amazon.com, I ordered this Stihl MS260 026. Even came with a spark plug. Top end rebuild kit. Sorry. So this comes with a new top end cylinder, and inside there's a piston. You can see it. So it's complete. I assume that in there's a wrist pin and some clips. There's a bearing and a base gasket, bunch of parts. But anyway, I bought this off Amazon for about $50. Again, I don't know how they do it overseas, but $50, and it was shipped to me in a couple days. I have very low hopes for this. This is more of an experiment to see what happens, but I'm gonna install this rebuild kit into this saw and document it with some YouTube videos and see what happens. Your guess is as good as mine. I suspect it's not gonna work, but for $50 it's worth a gamble. We'll see. Stay tuned. I'll make another video tearing this thing apart and doing the repair, and you guys can watch and see what happens. Thanks for watching.